Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And if you see, Bank Nifty just rocketed today, right, in the second half. And I was saying that focus more on Bank Nifty, in the yesterday's video. And if you see, right, even if you would have taken this trade, if once we got a 15-minute closing above this trend line, and if you would have kept your stop loss over here, right, which is, more than enough, right, you would have gotten an easy 500 points till the end, right? Even if you would have held till the target of 49,350 to 300, right? I was saying that, you can hold till here, this is your target. Even then, you would have gotten very good trade over here, right? Till the end. And I also went ahead and shorted a put over here. If you see 45,000 P, I actually shorted it once in the morning and I did not short it at the correct time. And that's why one SL got hit, but in the end again, right, when I was seeing that okay, market is again starting to go up from here, I went ahead and shorted it again at 320 rupees. It has closed at 104 rupees over here. So again, I'll probably be squaring off this tomorrow. I just need a little bit more for my target to get hit and then I can square off, right? Anyways, it is, I think even if the market just, kind of consolidates over here, it will be fine because again, it's 45,000 P, right? So it's very far OTM now. And now, I can get it's almost like it's fully time value now, right? So now I can easily hold my position until and unless markets give, start going down very fast, right? So until then, my position is pretty much safe and, yeah, but still, I think if we open the gap up, pretty much, I think my target will get hits, right? So, anyways, talking about where the market can move from here, right? What you can do is very simple, right? If you see Bank Nifty in the daily charts, first of all, Bank Nifty is getting ready for a breakout over here, right? And we can easily expect Bank Nifty to first of all go till 46,000 in the coming 2 or 3 days very easily, right? And maybe not 2 or 3 days, maybe Bank Nifty might take a little bit more resistance, maybe maybe Bank Nifty might take a little bit more time, but it depends on where we open tomorrow, right? Because if we open flat or if we open, pretty much like with a small gap up or a gap down, then I think we can expect another up move from here. And most probably we can close above this previous swing high, right? Because the way the market has closed today, there, like the momentum is still in the charts, right? If you see, the momentum is still continuing, right? There is no pause or something, right? So tomorrow again, if you open flat or maybe a little bit upside, with a small gap or a gap down, then most probably we can again expect the markets to move up, first of all till 45,800 and then 46,000 on the upside, right? So what you can do is very simple. Tomorrow if you open flat and start crossing 45,560, once you get a 5-minute closing above this level, you can go ahead and take a trade. Your first target will be 45,800. Second target will be 45,950 to 46,000. Do not wait for proper round numbers to come, because sometimes markets just reverse before hitting a round number and then we start to see a sell off, right? So do not do that. Anyways, if we open the small gap up, right, say somewhere near not a small, say somewhere near, if we open the gap up somewhere near 45,600, we will wait for a bit of retracement in Bank Nifty till 45,500 to 540 levels, right? Once we start seeing bullish candle being made over here, right, something like this or maybe something like this over here, right, then we will go ahead and take a buying trade again till 45,800 and 46,000 on the upside. Again, even if you open flat and just stay over here for some time, even like if we open, sorry, not flat, but if we open with a gap down, right, somewhere near 45,400 and spend some time over here, maybe hour or two, and then start breaking out above 45,550 to 550 level, then you can go ahead and take a buying trade also over here. If we open with a gap down and start crossing it, like start directly crossing it, then maybe we could see a little bit of volatility, right? And then maybe your stop loss could get hit, right? So like markets could go up a little bit over here till 45,580 above previous day's high, and then again reverse back down, right, giving a false breakout over here, right? So again, it is important that we should wait over here for some time and then start moving up, because then we can the chances are that we will not get a false breakout over here, right? Again, That's what Bank Nifty. Again, we should not open with a very big gap down somewhere near 45 200, maybe 45 100, because then things will be very volatile, and then we need to see, right? Are the buyers giving up their positions, or are the buyers still holding their positions? Because 45,000 now will act as a very good support over here, right? So again, if you open with a very big gap down, are the buyers entering at 45,000, or are the buyers giving up their positions very fast over here? And we should not also open with a very big gap up, right? Somewhere near 45 800 or 750, all these levels, because then things will be a little bit volatile. And what you can do over here is very simple. You can also play for a little bit of profit booking in Bank Nifty, right? But do not keep a lot of quantity over here. You can kind of go ahead and take a short trade also over here, but keep your quantity less. Do not keep your quantity a lot, because what may happen is that Bank Nifty might not come down till previous day's high and just consolidate at higher levels, right? That is a very good possibility. So if you're selling, keep your quantity low. If you're buying, then you can go aggressive in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty especially, right? And as I said, right, yesterday also in Nifty, if you want to buy, focus more on Bank Nifty over there and not on Nifty, because Nifty is continuously moving up, right? If you see, Nifty hasn't like really stopped, right? If you see from 18,600 levels, Nifty has not really stopped, right? Nifty hasn't even given a proper pullback, right? It has not even broken a previous swing, right? Ever. So definitely Nifty looks like it is a bit, I mean, it is a bit more overextended over here, and we can expect Nifty to kind of stay a little bit consolidated, or even if the move comes, the move won't be very big, right? So if you see today, right, in Nifty, after from where we had to enter, right, above 19,600, from there Nifty has moved 120 points, right? So how much is that? If you just give me a second, yeah, we'll see. Nifty has moved 120 points, which is like something like 0.6%, right? Let's assume 0.7%, right? And from the entry point of Bank Nifty, right, from where we would have taken a trade, say from 45,030, right? From there, Bank Nifty has moved 1.1%, right? So definitely Bank Nifty has more scope to move up, at least as of now, and Nifty has more scope to fall over here, because Nifty hasn't taken a kind of a pullback, and Bank Nifty has definitely, if you see, this was kind of a pullback for Bank Nifty, and now Bank Nifty is starting a new, like a new trend, new buying trend over here, right? So again, given this, we can also expect Bank Nifty even till like 47,000 levels in the coming days, but I don't think it will come very fast, because Nifty is a little, overextended. So maybe Nifty might hold Bank Nifty back, but that is something that we'll need to see in further videos in like further coming days. But for now, we'll focus for 46,000 and not 47,000. Again, if you see Nifty, very simple, we will go ahead and buy above 19,730. We'll wait for a 15-minute closing above 19,730, and then we'll go ahead and take a buying trade. Our target will be 19,790 to 800, and not very much target. And again, if you want to focus more on buying. If you kind of take trades in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, keep your quantity more in Bank Nifty and less in Nifty, because if Nifty gives a pullback, it will be more harsh than Bank Nifty, right? Because Nifty hasn't really given a pullback, so there are chances that people can like more chances of profit booking in Nifty and not so much in Bank Nifty, right? If you open with a gap up somewhere near 19,800, so 19,800 will act as a resistance, right? Because it is a psychological number, so it will act as a resistance. So if you open with 19,800, we can play for profit booking over here till 19,000. I mean, today's closing price of 19,000, say 730, right? Or today's high of 19,730, and then maybe Nifty might consolidate over here itself for the whole day. How we'll do that? Very simple. Wait for the first 5 minutes, and once the low of the first 5-minute candle is broken, then we can go ahead and take a short trade over here till 19,730, but keep your quantity low, because we are going against the trend. We'll keep our quantity low, and we'll just try to take whatever profit we get, right? And if you get even signs of like, a good reversal, right, something like this candle being made, right, then you can go ahead and even consider squaring off your positions before the target is also reached, because the bulls are very much active over here, right? Again, as I said, Bank Nifty will be more stronger. So if you see any signs of reversal, say if you take a trade near 45,760 to short Bank Nifty, and if you see a very bullish candle being made in the 15-minute chart, just square off your position, right? We will focus more on buying rather than selling. Talking about Nifty, if you open with a gap down, then things will again be volatile and we'll do nothing for that, because we need to let the market decide, right? Is buying going to come on lower levels or not, right? So if we open with a gap down, a big gap down, say somewhere near 19,600 or 19,640, 650, all these levels, then we'll just do nothing and we'll wait for the market to decide, is it going down, is it going up? If say we open the gap down and recover and stay over here for some time, and then if we break out after consolidating over here, then you can also go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. But be cautious, because if you open the gap down and recover fully, right, then market will have moved a lot, right? So it won't have strength, as much strength to go ahead and break out on the upside again, right? So as I said, if you open the gap down, it's better if we do not take any sort of a trade in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and then we can wait for a day and we can see, right, where the market is heading and how the price action is being formed. Once the price action is formed, and then we can go ahead and take a trade again, right? So yeah, I guess that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. Again, we can expect focus more on Bank Nifty tomorrow again, because we can expect a little bit more trend in Bank Nifty to continue. I think there is really a good scope for Bank Nifty till 46,000 or even 45,800 on the upside. So that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.